Best skincare product on Amazon of all time is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. This is a thick formula. It targets dry skin. It helps with redness. If you have dark spots on your face, like after a pimple, if you have redness, if you have rosacea, this will truly make a difference. You use it at night on your skin, and in the morning you're going to notice that your skin is a lot smoother and brighter, and the redness will have significantly subsided. And this is a dupe for the it's by Charlotte Tilbury, the Magic Cream, I think that's the name. Here's a tip: you put it in the fridge overnight. All of my beauty essentials are in the fridge, and when you apply this cold cream on your face at night after a shower, it's the best feeling in the world. Not to mention that when you leave them in the fridge, they tend to last longer. Elta MD SPF 46. It's also calming, soothing. If you have redness on your skin, this is going to make a true difference, and it's gonna help with the breakouts. I was using a lot of drugstore SPF and it was not helping me, and you're going to see a huge difference when you start using this product. It's non-greasy and it's very lightweight, and your skin absorbs it. It's not gonna leave a white cast. Also for the skin, and very inexpensive, is this cream Hemps. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is in the scent Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon, and this is for deep hydration. When you apply this, it's going to glide on your skin and it's going to leave your skin super smooth. It's not going to give you a glow. A cream that will give you a glow is the blue one by Nivea. That one will give you a glow, but this is just going to hydrate your skin. You could use it in the morning and at night. It smells good. Obviously, it's a scent that will linger for a while, but if you apply it at night, the next day you're not gonna smell like sweet pineapple and honey melon. Now onto the hair. So I've let my hair grow. It's super long. And along the way, I wanted to share some products that have truly helped my hair just remain healthy and strong. And the first one I want to talk about is silicone mix, and I've been using this since I was a teenager. I prefer this over any brand. The only downside is that your hair gets used to it, so you have to stop, and then you would continue using it like I would say like every 2 months. But it smells amazing. I want for you guys to see it's completely empty, and you would use this as a deep conditioner, which means you would leave it on your hair. And your head's going to smell incredible. And then you could use it as a conditioner, which is what I do most of the time, but I also apply it as a leave-in conditioner. I just put it on my hair, I go on with my day, and people are like, oh my God, you smell so good. I'm like, silicone mix. This, my friends, this is super inexpensive, and this is liquid gold. This is amazing, and I love it. This is my favorite hair product in the entire world. There was even a blogger, Camila Coelho, she commented on this years ago, and I had already used it when I heard her say it, but she also loved it, and beautiful. This is, I think, one of the best hair products that you can possibly get. I have used their shampoo and I have used their hair serum. The shampoo, it leaves your hair super, super dry. It cleans your hair. The serum, I think it's good, but the best product is this one. Next, I want to talk about Kerastase, and this is their elixir. This is a hair serum. So I live in Florida, and here in Miami, there's a lot of humidity every day of the year, unless it's cold, and that's very rare. So we rely on products like this one to help with frizz. What I don't like is that it doesn't last very long, so you do have to reapply. But for example, I picked up my hair now and I used this and a little bit of hairspray, and it tames everything in place. I did get the smaller size and it's worked wonderful. It's almost empty, but this has lasted me for months. And you would use this with your hair damp or with your hair dry, so it's very versatile. And I really like that. If you love to do your hair, that's something that I'm trying to get better at, doing my hair more often, because I think when you do your hair, it completes the look. So this has certainly been a product that I love, and most likely I am going to be repurchasing. Lastly, I want to talk about Nexus, and this is their comb through flexible hold hairspray. I am using that on my hair right now. I like it. It's not gonna leave your hair super like helmet head type of hair spray situation. So this is going to be very lightweight on your hair. This is if you get a blowout and you have you know, the layers going on and you want to just toss a little bit of hairspray. This is a beautiful product that you can use. I learned of this through Lindsay Lohan, and well, I don't know Lindsay Lohan, but I saw that she was working with the brand and I said, let me give it a shot. If Lindsay Lohan uses, I want to use it. And let me tell you, I am super impressed. I've run out, barely have anything. I have to repurchase another one. And yeah, like I just said, this is something I'm gonna be paying for again. I like this hairspray mainly because it smells good, it's lightweight, and it's brushable. There's nothing worse than when you do your hair and you apply one of those heavy helmet type of hairsprays and you try to brush your hair and then your hair gets like with flakes as if you have dandruff. No, it's nothing like that. This you can brush through. It's not gonna make your head look as if you have a dandruff. It's just an amazing product that's going to help your hair. I hope that you loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment. Like that, YouTube can recommend my videos to more and more people. I am so happy that I've been able to reach so many of you. I will see you next time. And by the way, I have playlists here on my channel. I have lifestyle videos, I have vlogs, I have travel videos. So I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for the support, and yeah, I will see you next time.